This video explains how to print a self-test page for your printer. A self-test page provides useful information about your printer, model number, serial number, and the status of the cartridges in your printer. First, load paper into the input tray. Adjust the guides so they are snug against the paper. On the printer control panel, press the Setup button. Using the arrow buttons, navigate to Print Report, and then press the OK button. Using the arrow buttons again, navigate to Self-Test Report, and then press the OK button. The self-test page prints. Now, let's talk about what the self-test page can tell us about your printer. The most obvious thing is that if the self-test page prints out, you know the printer itself is working correctly. So if you run into problems printing from your computer, it's probably caused by your connection, your operating system, or the software you're printing from. However, if you see smearing, the wrong color, or some other error, the documents you print will likely have the same problem. The self-test page can also give you valuable information on print quality, total page count, and other helpful information for troubleshooting.